Jace, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you the process step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Processing begins immediately after harvest to preserve freshness. Careful handling prevents surface damage. The visual inspection kit process begins as soon as the fruit enters the facility.
Here at the plant, our quality inspectors ensure that only the finest, intact fruit continues down the line.
The optical scanners analyze the watermelons digitally, assessing size, shape, and surface defects.
Strict quality thresholds are enforced. Field dirt and residue are removed.
The rigorous cleaning process ensures the fruit is prepared for safe processing downstream.
Surface contaminants are fully cleared.
Here on the vibrating drain belts, the excess moisture is steadily removed from the watermelons.
The drying ensures that the fruit will not slip during cutting, maximizing efficiency.
Once the watermelons enter the grading section, each piece of fruit is meticulously categorized by both size and weight to ensure consistency.
The uniformity of the sorted watermelons significantly improves the subsequent cutting efficiency. Cooling slows internal degradation.
As you can see, the environmental conditions across all storage zones, including temperature and humidity, are monitored continuously in real time.
The watermelons are received on sanitized stainless steel platforms, where strict hygiene standards are enforced before cutting.
This ensures maximum cleanliness. The machinery idles in rhythm. Preparation is nearing completion.
Traceability begins at this stage.
Final visual checks confirm cleanliness and integrity, reinforcing our strict quality standards.
Flow timing is carefully balanced. By precisely adjusting the spacing between the watermelons, we significantly improve the accuracy of the automated cutting process downstream.
System check complete. All preparation parameters are within specification. Preparation targets have been met. Phase 1 preparation is complete.
Now, perfectly chilled and graded, the fruit is ready for processing. Processing begins immediately to protect freshness and internal texture. As the watermelons move into the cutting station, precision alignment is essential before the blades engage. Controlled cuts prevent flesh damage.
Different cuts are utilized depending on the final product. As you can see, some units are set to produce thick spears.
Rind separation significantly improves both the yield and the final appearance of the product.
As the split flow shows, organic waste is collected separately for reuse or composting.
The optical scanners analyze the color and internal clarity of each piece in real time.
When imperfections are detected, the automatic gates trigger instantly, ensuring that only premium flesh continues forward.
The chilled water gently rinses the watermelon, removing any cutting residue.
The steady draining ensures precise moisture control, which prevents dilution. As the air knives pass over the fruit, the drying process stabilizes the surface texture. For diced products, uniform cubes improve packaging efficiency.
Gentle handling is essential here, as it prevents the bruising of the delicate fruit.
For puree lines, watermelon flesh feeds into industrial crushers, where texture transformation begins.
Here you can see the fine filtration screens at work. The seeds and fibers are removed, ensuring only the smoothest liquid movement.
This enclosed pipeline system is critical. The sealed transfer process is how we guarantee hygiene and maintain the integrity of the product.
Uniformity is maintained.
Temperature-controlled jackets regulate the tanks, and gentle cooling stabilizes the product.
Continuous monitoring prevents deviation.
As the cut pieces enter the rapid freezing tunnel, the flash freezing process immediately locks in their structure. The vibrating belts ensure the pieces remain separate, preventing them from clumping together during the freezing process. The freezing process is now complete. The watermelon is fully solidified.
Fresh cut, diced, pureed, or frozen, each format is handled independently as they merge into their designated holding lines.
Quality is verified continuously. The fruit is now ready for transformation and final production. This stage transforms prepared watermelon into finished consumer-ready formats. Consistent shape improves both visual appeal and packing efficiency. The precise calibration ensures uniformity, which is essential for supporting the automated filling process further down the line. Here we verify the texture consistency of the fruit without causing any damage during the assessment process. Stabilized watermelon puree enters the tanks. The blending refines smoothness and color.
As you can see, homogeneity is critical before the final use of the product.
Structure is improved without altering flavor.
As the vibrant puree enters the clarification module, advanced sensors monitor and adjust pulp levels.
Clarity and mouthfeel are balanced.
As the clarified juice moves through the heat exchanger, the controlled application of heat ensures safety and extends shelf life.
We monitor juice conditions in real time, because only thermal precision can preserve the true flavor.
Rapid cooling prevents quality loss. The surface hydration is essential to maintaining peak freshness and texture. The slices enter the dehydration chambers, where the moisture is gradually removed. As the sensors adjust the chamber conditions automatically, this gradual drying process preserves the nutrients and color.
This means the flavor becomes much more concentrated. By scanning for shape, color, and surface integrity, our real-time inspection ensures we maintain the highest standards.
Yield is maximized through recovery.
Production flow remains uninterrupted.
As you can see, the alignment process is critical. It prepares these products for the final packaging stage.
Thermal balance prevents condensation, ensuring the product temperature stabilizes across all lines. Sampling stations remove small quantities for texture and appearance verification, and continuous validation remains in place. All transformation parameters remain within specification, and core production targets have been met. Every step is refined to achieve the highest quality.
The products are now ready for filling and packaging.
Packaging begins only after product stability is fully confirmed. The air cleaning station ensures all surface moisture and loose particles are completely removed prior to final sealing.
The sealed transfer system protects the watermelon's flavor and ensures complete hygiene throughout the process.
The volumetric fillers ensure precise portions of both the puree and the juice. The accuracy of each dispense cycle is
Consistent portions support uniform packaging.
Sealing preserves freshness and prevents contamination.
These high-quality barrier films are proven to extend shelf life, keeping products fresh longer.
Temperature and pressure are precisely balanced.
Modified atmosphere packaging injects controlled gas mixtures. Oxygen levels are reduced to effectively slow spoilage and maintain freshness.
Rapid cooling stabilizes seals and film tension.
Our specialized frozen handling system ensures the product remains completely frozen, preventing any thawing before it reaches you.
The weight check systems verify each individual package, ensuring accurate weight and confirming correct filling.
Packages outside tolerance are immediately diverted onto a correction line, ensuring that all deviations are corrected without delay.
Approved packages receive printed labels with product details, batch codes, and dates. Traceability continues through packaging. Readability is verified automatically.
The grouping process prepares the individual products for efficient transport and delivery.
Cartons are formed on demand.
The cartons are secured for handling.
Carton level accuracy is confirmed. The packaging flow converges here as approved cartons merge onto the main conveyor, leading directly to palletizing.
As you can see, the stability and balance of each layer are carefully controlled, ensuring a perfect stack every time.
Wrapping the pallets tightly secures the products, preventing damage during transit and storage. As the labels are applied, destination and tracking data are assigned to each pallet.
Packaging operations are complete.
The products are now prepared for quality checks and distribution.
Every finished product is verified before leaving the factory.
Each pallet is digitally logged for complete traceability. Sampling ensures consistency across large volumes. The system checks the internal packaging integrity to ensure everything is secure before the final seal.
Airtight sealing protects freshness. Compliance details are confirmed.
Accurate weight indicates correct filling. Infrared temperature sensors precisely scan the surface of every carton, instantly verifying cold chain integrity.
Internal temperature probes confer deep freeze stability, ensuring the frozen quality remains uninterrupted.
We conduct a thorough visual inspection to evaluate the product's appearance and moisture levels.
Natural variation is kept within defined limits.
Approved cartons are resealed and returned to the main flow. Compliant products continue toward dispatch.
Deviations are isolated immediately. Rejected products are directed to reprocessing zones. We ensure that waste is minimized whenever possible. Once the final inspection is complete, each quality-approved pallet receives its certification label, documenting its approval status.
Finished goods are stored here under precise, controlled conditions.
As you can see, space is optimized through automation, allowing us to utilize the full vertical capacity of the warehouse.
Stock movement is monitored continuously.
Outbound orders trigger automated pallet retrieval. As the pallets descend smoothly, distribution begins on demand.
As the pallets move toward the loading docks, the products are carefully prepared for shipment.
Temperature control continues throughout the transport process. The lift motors engage the locking mechanisms, securing the loads firmly in place for transit.
With the digital manifest confirmed, the documentation is finalized and the dispatch is complete.
Once the heavy latches engage and the seals lock tight, cargo protection is absolutely ensured.
Modern quality control and logistics ensure watermelons reach consumers fresh, safe, and ready to enjoy.
And that's how watermelons are processed in a modern factory in Izhi, from arrival to distribution.